Here is interesting app which is called Widgetsdude. So let's just tap on it. This app helps you to design your own widgets and create some personalized mode on your home screen or some other screen with all the widgets. After iOS 14 on iPhones, it's now possible to add widgets, different kinds of widgets, and this feature was previously available all around Android phones, but finally it came to iOS, and now you can really customize your screens. You can add some unique like weather, clock widgets. There are also some mega popular apps right now like Locket widget, Noted widget, Be Real, like some vinyl, MD vinyl music playing widgets and all of that. People don't want to go into the app, open the menu, tap something else. When you just can have everything on your screen with one tap, so it just saves you so much time actually if you're using the app a lot. Like you can have some, for example, Spotify widget or something like that, and instantly play a song just from your home screen. No need to log into the app every time, and even if it's like additional 2 seconds, why do you need to spend it on some app? Or it just speeds up your phone experience. So yeah, that's just an intro, and here is the Widgetsdude app. I just want to check it out. Here's the discovery. I'm ready. You can, and then you have all these widgets. So this is like a mega app for all the widgets. Special day, system panel, node. You can have middle widget. You can have large widgets. You can have charging widgets, or you can have wallpaper or charging screen. And then friends, you can also add some friends. And okay, so let's just try to see if it will work. So I just tap and hold. I tap plus icon in top part, and then I want to search for widgets tool, and then I just want to add the widget like that, and then I tap and hold, edit widget, and then I will be able to select some of the widgets. Or okay, maybe that's not the right one, sorry, because it's no, it's the right one, but I just need to create my widgets first, because the app is called Widgetsdude, but you need to search in the widget by widgets tool. So here I need to add a widget, and then I just want to add a small clock, and there are ads again, but what you can do, so I just add in the clock widget. Here I can customize colors and everything, and then I see another app. So now widget has been saved to widgets. So now we can try again. Without this step,